Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video we're going to go over something called unpacking the arguments. After this one we should have functions and arguments out of the way and we can start moving on to some cooler things and start making some more useful programs. But we need to learn these basics before we could go on to a little bit more advanced stuff, as you do with anything. So let's define a function here. Let's do a diet plan. And for that diet plan, we're going to need to know three things. We'll need to know your age, your daily carbs, and daily calories. Now, what I could do is I could put diet result equals, let's see, age times 2. This is just something I'm coming up with. This is not actually a diet equation or anything. We're going to subtract, or I'm sorry, we're going to add the daily carbs. And we're going to subtract the daily calories. And we're going to print diet result. Now, what I could do for this is I can make some diet data. So we'll call it that diet data, and I can make a list for the age, the daily carbs, and the daily calories. So I could do, let's see, we'll put age 50, well, not really 50. The daily carbs, we'll put that we had 500 carb day, but we did really good and did 250 calories, and that was it all day. I don't think that's possible. We can do 500 carbs, but just for the sake of this tutorial. And then what we could do is we could put diet plan. Now, there's the traditional way we would know how to do this if we're using a list is we would put diet data 0, diet data 1, and diet data 2. And if we run that, oops, I put diet, I didn't put data there, okay. So now if we run that, we get a number of 350. Now, if we were doing this, let's say we were like a weight loss center that we were putting people on these diet plans, or we were at a doctor's office and we were putting them on a diet plan, and we need to use this program for multiple patients. This particular data we would have to put in for each patient, and it could be very consuming, make a lot of lines of code and just be very time consuming. So there's a way we can do this, and it's called unpacking an argument. And all we have to do is use an asterisk, which last time worked out really well for us, and it's going to again this time. And all we have to do is put diet data. And what that is going to do is, with that asterisk there, it's telling to basically take this list and feed this list into one item at a time. So it's saying, okay, here's 50. That's going to be for the age. Here's 500. That's going to be for the daily carbs. And here's 250, that's for the daily calories. So instead of us having to type it out every time, it's automatically going to put each one in for us one at a time. So if I hit run again, you'll see I get the exact same result. So using this asterisk with whatever your variable name is here, and it could be whatever you want, that's called unpacking an argument, and it will come in very, very handy. Alrighty, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and hit that bell when you hit subscribe so you know when I upload more videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.